Okay, we had what was called an outhouse, but on the inside at night we had what we was the chamber pots.
Chamber
Pots.
That sounds serious.
Yeah. Well, there was another name for it, but I'm not gonna say it. Okay, so they were referred to as the chamber pots. So we had those for nighttime, but in the mornings we would have to take those out and empty those into the little hole, into the outhouse.
Whose job was that?
It varied. And at the time, it was because it was the way it was not something that you
didn't worry about it.
Didn't worry. Yeah,
you just something,
did it. Something, yeah, because that was the norm and that's what we did. So
because it was all you knew.
That's what we knew.
Okay.
That's what we knew. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I mean, yeah. Today you frown upon it because you got all this new stuff.
Oh my gosh.
But
yes.
so you had the outhouse and the chamber pots,
Mm-hmm.
and so you would just go at night if you had to go. You just went to wherever the chamber pot was.
That was you. It was always in the bed, in the room that you slept in. Ours was in the room that we
So
slept
you
in.
had more than one, so you
Yes.
had some privacy.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
well, that's good to know.
Mhm.
How did you clean yourself up?
At night,
Well, at any time when you went to the outhouse or the chamber
we
pot.
always had paper. There was paper there.
What kind of paper?
Toilet paper.
Oh, you had toilet paper
Yeah,
back then?
we had toilet paper.
Oh, wow, that's
We had-
amazing.
Yeah, we had toilet paper.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's good to know.